It's Becky, and look what I've got today. I have been to Michael's and I have a big box. This is this box here is one of their blind boxes. So it's a $10 mystery box that if you're lucky, sometimes through the year you can find these for $10 just stacked up at the checkouts. So I'm going to dive into this one. Last time I did really well and I was really happy with what I got. Definitely way more than $10 worth of stuff. So why don't we take a little look and see what we've got inside? Okay, so I asked the lady, I said, is this one of your seasonal boxes? And she says, yes, this is full of seasonal stuff and clearance stuff. And I said, okay, which season is it? And she said spring. So I'm hoping that it is, and it looks like it is full of lots of different spring florals. And I'm pretty sure everything has its original prices on. Yep, so for example, this was $4. I don't think anyone paid full price for anything though, let's be clear. Ooh, this is cute. I have a fake ivy planter. That was $20. I have a form which I can use. So wreath making is not really something I've done. I've dabbled. I made like Halloween wreaths and stuff, but now I can make a little flower wreath and stick some of these flowers in there. Okay, I got a whole wow. Okay. So they're not kidding. When they say there's $10, well, it's way more than $10. They are not kidding. I have got a whole bunch of tulips. And look at that. It's enough to get married. Okay, so a whole bunch of tulips. So many florals in these. More flowers. More flowers. And a whole bunch more flowers. Okay, so it's not just flowers. I'm just going to go through the flowers first. Oh, these ones are nice. These are like foam. Now, my house is actually fully decorated with loads and loads and loads of fake florals. Oh, they're so pretty. So, yeah, so I figured I was going to hit the jackpot a bit with these. I have flowers all up my stairs. I have one of those like trees with all like the white birch LED trees. Okay, and now there's a whole bunch of extra stuff in here. So I have a cushion. Oh, is this really nice? This has got like a leopard and some jungle stuff going on. So that's really nice. That's really handy. I've got some strange, the batteries probably need to be replaced, but I have some faux candles. They feel like real wax, but they are battery operated, and it does look like the batteries are flat, but that's fine. Yeah, okay, so I can replace batteries. That seems reasonable. I have this shape. Yeah, decorative purposes only. Okay. What else have I got? Oh, I've got some forest moss. Excellent. So that all goes with my pixie core whimsical jungle thing going on downstairs. Oh, what? Oh, is this just decorate? Oh, okay. I got a couple of chess pieces, which is really handy because I just bought the this is so bizarre. I just bought the Alice in Wonderland has got like a king and queen chessboard piece. I'll show you those in a minute actually. Okay, even this was $10. What is this? What is this? Is this this is like some ceramic plaster kind of birdhouse thing. I guess it's DIY ceramic birdhouse. Okay, so I get to make a birdhouse. And oh no, oh no. a diamond art kit. I just started, well, I just literally got my very first diamond art painting to do, and somebody should have stopped me. But this is cool. This is fun. This is like a summer theme one. And maybe I can use the little shaky tray out of it now, but I might save that for when I'm no longer seeing dots everywhere. Okay, one more thing in here. A portable tap lantern. I mean, this is $30. Okay, so it's USB charged. It's a USB charged. It comes with USB. How do you charge it? Let me see if I can plug this in real quick. Just to show for my new little chess pieces, I have these awesome ones, which are obviously not in the box. These are on sale now in their Alice in Wonderland Halloween decor stuff. So I guess I'm just collecting ornamental chess pieces now. Okay, so no art materials this time round. Last time I had some decorative stuff and some like clearance golden paints and some all sorts of art stuff as well. But this time, not bad. If you're into your faux foliage, then grab one of these boxes if you find one in your local Michael's. Thank you, Uncle Michael. I appreciate this. Definitely way more than $10 worth. So when you see them, it's always worth checking it out, especially if you have people who are into, you can peek through. I could see that there was definitely going to be lots of plants in here, and it'll always follow the season that you just got rid of. So spring, summer stuff. You know what I could do? So I'm thinking that I could, well, I don't really know how to decorate this thing because it doesn't really look like much to me anyway, other than maybe painting it. Maybe I could stick some of this moss on the rooftop maybe and paint it up. Let me know what you think I should do with this. Maybe I'll do a little video for you. That's an idea. The pinks and the purples all go with, and the whites actually, so pink, purple, beige, and white, all that stuff is going to go with my downstairs. I don't even know what my decor style is. Very psychedelic-y, spacey, I don't know, but colorful and pretty. And so all of this will go with that. That's fine. This, I don't know. I don't know if I want to see one of these for a little while, but that'll be fun for summer. I do think that will be fun for that. Oh, here we go. The lamp works. Oh, okay. Tap. Hey, can you see it better here? Tap, tap. Ooh. Okay, so now I can walk around the house like a Victorian ghost child. That'll be fun. Okay, so yeah, we'll have to check out how bright that is. And yeah, and then the other thing I can decorate would be, ooh, come back. And the other thing I could decorate would be this. And obviously I'm thinking, just like stick some flowers in and make it pretty. Is there a way that I can, I don't know. Ooh, maybe I could make it like I could make this like a table ornament maybe and have that on the coffee table. But either way, I still have this fun ivy plant, which I could decorate up with some extra flowers maybe, or get some of those like fairy ornaments and stuff. They also sell like little ornamental things to go into your faux plant stuff. So maybe I need to look into some of those. It's kind of cute. I'll just stick it behind me and hide some of this arty clutter that is taking over my life. Okay. Well, let me know below what you think I should do. Inspire me, please, friends. What should I do? There's just so much here. I can take these heads off. Like, I don't have to leave them on the stalks. thank you for watching. Stay tuned if you want to see more craziness like this. And $10 though, come on. $10 for all this? Yeah? Yeah? Hit or miss? What do you think? Hit or miss? Let me know. I hope to see you soon.